before smiles.
Smiles will be
later. They'll be bigger. We noticed we've got a loose pin on the throttle here. That's not good, dude.
No, yeah, that could be bad.
That's
You kind of need that.
I carry on my roll of tape here. Look at that. Look at that. Would you look at? Just look at it. Cool, man. We got a fix for you.
Yeah, that's sweet. Learn something. Put a little seat clip on your
tape. That way I don't lose it. Do you think I could hold on to something like that?
If you weren't sitting right there, I'd totally fold over.
They were starting day one of 2 days with a new group. Andy and his family and some of their friends. Most of them actually have been out with us before, a couple years ago, and then before that for an avalanche course. So it's really fun. We get these return groups to see how they've progressed since the last time and the train and everything that we get into.
A lot of times people, well, yeah, I don't know, try to see what happens. Like, no, we want to do stuff because it's gonna work. That's how we want to approach it. A big thing with both of those is getting a big wheelie. Like, the more vertical you can get the sled, the easier these things are. Next part of that is you gotta really lead with your eyes. Like if I want to do a re-entry and I want to do it to the right, I'm visualizing a spot where I'm gonna come in and I'm gonna really get on the throttle, preload the suspension, and as that thing starts coming up, now I'm looking where I want to go and I'm gonna stay in that throttle. And my head and my eyes, the rest of my body's gonna follow that. So have that plan, whether it be left or right, doesn't make any difference. But committing to the throttle, the wheelie, and looking where you wanna go are key. We wanna be back on the sled so the front's light, and so we can compress that rear shock and preload the suspension. There we go. See his eyes, how he was looking at the snow the whole time. Never brought him around. He went right where his eyes were. Gotta lead the way with the head. Like, our eyes are really gonna guide us. What happened?
Dude, I lost my Dirt Pro. Don't know how, don't know where it went, but
She gone.
Flew out, slid out or something?
Yeah, I'm not quite sure how he lost it, but
I just ripped.
Yeah, I have never actually lost one.
no, I've mangled them, but I haven't lost one.
I've seen stock ones pop out. Yeah, so start with the bottom one first. Just very, very slightly. There you go. Nice.
It's easier when you don't touch it, Jonah.
Fastest Dirt Pro ever. That's a good idea. Laps it up.
She got gas. I go fast.
Give you guys your body room with those trees. Don't let it peel you off the sled. Go down around them just a touch. Yeah, go for it. Work your way down. Nice job. Nice job working down through there. Yep. When you get, that snow wasn't very good, kind of crusty, but you still can use the technique. We're coming close to those trees. Give yourself a little bit of a margin for your body so it doesn't peel you off the sled. And then you can work your way around them, okay?
Yep, sounds good.
Yeah, awesome job keeping that foot back. Good work. Nicely done. Got a treat. Woo! Didn't see that one till the last second. God tried to get me. Great line down.
Thank you.
So the one thing I would add, everything looked awesome, but it was crusty as that is, and the different layers, and then soft. Come back a little bit to keep that front really light. We want our weight compressing the rear. That way, I saw your front dig in once, tried to throw. You did a good job of responding with your input. We keep that front light, we can just kind of pick our way.
Yeah, I noticed that I was going down, as I was going down, I'm like, yeah, I got a little too much weight forward right now, but.
Yeah, and you made the adjustment, so awesome job. Go for it. Woo!
Making a little, I guess, a wick to start a fire with. So, use some oil and gas. Just drop that in the tank. Wonder if I didn't get much gas on it, but looks like it's good to go.
I had it on the hot dogger the whole time. Cheers.
we had a little bit of fun. Oh my gosh, these guys are. It is so crazy to see what they're doing riding now. It's so awesome. People over.
You're in the gas station. You're checking out my.
What clutch kit do you run?
So this is what we really went for a little ride for. Don't tell the other guys, but we had to heat this up. I've got my green chili enchiladas. Let's check it out. Just pulled her out of the oven, AKA muffler. Good stuff. So I don't know how, it was 4 or 5 years ago, you guys came out for an avalanche course. We're like this big, barely on sleds. Like, it was pretty awesome. They had some pretty good, got around good, and then 2 years ago came out for a riding workshop we're doing today, and now here they are.
Yeah, gotta take what you learn and progress on it every day, and that's what we've been doing.
There's a point, right, where you're probably feeling it when you're like, this could go really bad at any point. That's when you know you're not quite in control anymore. Yeah. I've been there. I think we've all been there a few times. So.
I don't even know.
You're gonna have to try and Gore-Tex patch it up.
Yeah, must have been dragging. It must have happened when I was dragging my butt. Some of that stuff is like,
The lock saw stuff is.
you're not gonna rip that out.
This is a lock saw 5. Climb has been a huge part of snowmobiling me going back a long time. My very first set of climb gear that I purchased was back in 2006, and before that, just the stuff I was always wet and uncomfortable, cold. I couldn't believe the difference once I did that, and it just has progressed from there. They've been great to work with, have been really supportive of our business when that was kind of the beginning 11 years ago, and just super supportive of us with our riding, and that relationship just has continued to grow over the years, where, you know, now we've been a dealer for Climb since like 2017, 2018, since that winter, and that's been a huge part, but that's also been really helpful for me as a rider and as a sponsored athlete with them, because I get to see things from the dealership side as well, and I just feel like it helps us in the big scheme of everything from product feedback as well as working with sales and every aspect of it, because we want all the other Climb dealers to be really successful, and as well as, you know, the athletes and the company in general. And it's a big part of our family, our operation. I mean, it's we live in Climb, basically. There's the saying, Climb life. I mean, that is our life. We are Climb life.
We're on up there. Does that turn into a knife edge, or can you ride that down a little ways?
You can ride it down a little ways that way, maybe.